Unity is something too difficult to make it happen. But here I'm talking about unity. There's an African proverb which says, a stick in a bundle can never be broken. Just think about this. Try to break one stick. It will break so fast. But a stick in a bundle, tied together like this, it's too hard to break. Even bending your fingers like this is too difficult. But pick only one finger. See how it bends? But try this one. So hard. So the African proverb meaning that if you want to be strong, you need to stick together in unity. A united people or united group loves each other, puts trust in each other, prioritize one another, and have one common goal and direction. If you lose unity, you become single and you go alone, you're most likely to fail. This explains why many of the Luo have failed, except the Luo in Kenya, the Luo Nyanza, who have started the movement for the independence of Nyanza, MIN. The rest of other Luo groups are too disunited. The Luo in Kenya, are the only ones who are united. But look at the Luo in Congo, South Sudan, Uganda and Ethiopia and Tanzania. They are all disunited. They don't love each other. You find the Acholi are fighting first of all among themselves before they go to another tribe. The Lao are fighting among themselves before they go to another tribe. The Alur, the Jom, the Shiluk, the Jopadhola, the Cholo, all these Luo people are fighting internally and externally. That is what has led to lack of significant development and success among the Luo people due to disunity. So if you must move together in a proper way, stick together like a stick in a bundle. Just like music, you cannot go and play only one instrument, ding, 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 ding. That is not music. You have to play more than 5 instruments. Ding, 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 then another one. Tong, 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 then another one. Ding, ding, ding. You combine all of them together and it becomes a music that people go shake and dance in the club. And that is what life is all about. Thank you.